MUSLIM. I'm so proud to.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Now so we'll take today for welcome you na the chat room. You know say for some while the chat room be left you know for some time. But today now so we welcome una with this particular edition inside the chat room. We will open the chat room today with one prominent saying from we noble Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Where the Bible tell we inside hadith say Taqullaha haythu ma kunta. Say fear Allah any sayide. What be sayyat al hasana tamhuha. He say make you try for nullify you bad work them with you good work them we go wipe them particular bad work them day. Wa khaliqun nasa bi khulqin hasanin. He say make we be good as Muslims to the entire mankind, whether a Muslim not a Muslim. So now so they open today the chat room today we they come out from Sierra Leone Islamic Web Online Television. So inside the chat room today, we get with beloved guests. We can see for ourselves. We are not inside the chat room. We are young people and people when are young Muslims more kinde inside the chat room. So today we please for get with brother where they with we inside the studio and inside self go introduce himself to una.
Me na Umar Farouk Jallo, the managing director for Sierra Leone Muslims Got Talent show.
Okay, so it's a pleasure today for getting inside the program. As normally we can call we brother Gumbila the poet, be that time Allah don't bless out various talent. So a talented man, therefore Naina the managing director of SLMGT. So what do we expect inside this particular 6th edition we Muslims na Sierra Leone will expect to get shortly?
Of course, it don't take a whole year away. We're not able to stage the Sierra Leone Muslims Got Talent show due to the corona outbreak. And over the years, we don't organize this show in the country, and we don't see the kind of change we don't bring, in the Islamic sector, especially people and we get talent where if you say, the Islamic environment, creates that kind of platform for them where they go come and exhibit and talent them. So we organize the first, the second season on to the 5th, and this one will come up with inshallah. Now the 6th season where you really get different young people and we get talent, different talent that we get to do with the teachings and conduct of Islam. We then we can showcase on the 31st of October, inshallah ta'ala, na the Freetown City Hall. And of course, we're going to see something different, something unique, as previously in any new season, the SLMGT, they come up with something spicy, something different from the other previous season that will be done to organize.
Okay, so what would you expect more this time? Because in terms of the price and other thing, them one may say that the same price as the previous, or this time there will be change of prices.
And of course, we get a change of price because the price will be from the last one. Of course, for this particular season, we get the grand prize winner 6 million for the grand winner, and of course, plus a 1 year full production. That's again for the grand winner. And of course, we get for something very much different this time around. And of course, we get for one based on one other area. We get for experience a lot of differences. We are in an aspect of the participant, because in the audition we try for screen and see we will get the best participant the way we audience and they expect. And of course that day we are going for something new and something different from the audience them, and of course again from the organizing team. And that's how we get for be very much interesting, now the area of the guest performance. So we get forget, and of course we get forget the previous winners. Then you want to win this season 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, and of course then get for come together and can do a collaborative performance together. And of course that's another something new and different way we try for bring to this year SLMGT.
Okay, now somebody go and say also people them different talents there at the end of the day. How as Muslims, how we able for make use of them particular talents and the way them people and they get. It's just that way they win everybody go going your way, or SLMGT go first way for gather them together.
Well, I make when you look at the Sierra Leone Muslims Got Talent show, and of course we did as a subsidiary under Wondin Sierra Leone Limited. And Wondin Sierra Leone Limited also gets another subsidiary where na the Sierra Leone Muslim Talent Academy. And of course for the SLMGT team, we na the Sierra Leone Muslim Got Talent show team. And of course we on team, we don't get the winner, we dey make sure say we get a full production for him. We are going to continue it in talent. We will support him in the way, in any way we able for see that person they will move on with in talent. Then also for the other one, they say for they come in, we can send them to the Sierra Leone Muslim Talent Academy. We are in that academy that they go nurture and prepare them talents the well so that it will be productive to the Muslim Ummah. So this is so it don't stage and that's what it gets for happen, inshallah ta'ala.
So before we go for the break, how normally we all know them kind of projects that involve money. How SLMGT normally can work as a team for system and will put funds together for put this program?
Well, we will get funding from the Wondin Foundation, and of course Wondin Foundation they support the Sierra Leone Muslims Got Talent Show greatly for we will achieve this particular goal. And also we can get sponsorship from certain people again where like that's a kind of difficult at times, but Allah can make it for possible from the Wondin foundation cable support the Sierra Leone Muslims Got Talent Show idea for we see go before. But at the same time again, hence now a Muslim activity, now activity where they promote Islam at the same time. We also the seek for potential sponsors for them come in and support this kind of good initiative. Because like if you get somebody who gets talent, then the Islamic society creates that kind of platform for them. You say then they able the talent will be not going to be productive. Then we will end up doing in the way that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not going to accept at all, in the way that Islam not welcome at all. So for them able to see, we able guide, because this particular world we live right now, we live in a very much challenging world, the world of social media. So if young person gets a talent, then we're able to create platform where as young Muslims, then definitely get to go to the other part, and the other part it's very wrong, and Islam not accept them for you. And if you go to the other parts then it gets for send a very bad signal, not only to the individual, but to we and Islam again as a whole. So now we don't come for set that kind of platform.
So now so they hold you for some time, we could go for break. Stay with us. When you come back now, so we can continue for telling you more about SLMGT season 6 where they come.
Me salon people who not ready.
Cause it's back again.
Oh yes, it don't come back.
I mean, your favorite Islamic talent show where the Wondin Sierra Leone Limited can organize, where them can call Sierra Leone Muslim Got Talent Show don't come back.
Until we all know how season 1,
season 2,
season 3,
season 4,
and season 5 it like.
And now they don't come with season 6.
Well, now the Madoni don't mix with the Ogiri. For let this show go burr.
Oh yes, this season 6 nothing gets for B, because everything about the show don't upgrade.
This season 6 first man in price go be 6 million leons with 1 album production and 1 album launching.
Then enough for the first man go. The second man step go get 3 million leons, and the third man go get 2 million leons.
Remember say, the Madoni don't mix with the Ogiri, and now so the show don't get Bogot Ziggy.
Sierra Leone Muslim Got Talent Show season 6. Officially brought to you by Wondin Sierra Leone Limited, developing creative and impactful ideas for humanity.
Told me what happened to that. How can we let the focus be swelled? We need to get back on track, show this religion to the world and rise up.
Now so we welcome you back inside the program today. We na Muslim Chat Room. Muslim Chat Room na a program where we don't design specifically for make it reach you as a young Muslim and as young Muslims in the country, for make you get a platform where you will talk about things them where young people and they facing and where they benefit young people and also talk to people where na entrepreneurs etc inside this particular program. Today we get the managing director of SLMGT, where na Umar Jallo, where na Umar Gumbila the poet, normally as thinking column. We normally they discuss about SLMGT season 6. So Umar, this particular show, this particular program, this Islamic program for take place, how it get for look like as description?
And of course, this particular season 6 an experience where the previous season and never get, because like this would have hoped for each and every season with a plan and hope for more development, and of course this time around it gets to be unique, it gets to be different, it gets to be explicit. We just want the audience and calm, and of course we know say since season 1 to date we not disappoint we audience them, and of course any season when they come there is something new. So as we want to be a surprise really when they come, there is something new. And of course the venue for this particular show this time around now the Freetown City Hall. And of course the city already talk about the new longest building where they don't put na Freetown. Because they get for take place, inshallah ta'ala, and we get with tickets them where they in a different price cost, we get the 50,000 leons way na the patron, then we get the silver way na 100,000 leons, we get the gold way na 150, then we get the couple tickets. Of course, if you na new married man, of course we know right now the new married man he wants to go and bluff, with the new spouse.
Then unfortunately Gobila na Palampo.
You don't see. I mean, this time we make up for the married man now. We know so we na Palampo them, but the married man they said they get a 250. Of course, you a couple that they go get fun time and see, blessed Islamic talent them on that very day. Now the Freetown City Hall, inshallah, on the 31st of October 2021.
So finally, what's now your message to Muslims them generally in Sierra Leone?
Once for encourage each and every Muslim in Sierra Leone, let me support initiative them we get to do with Muslims and Islam. More especially, we look at the world we live right now, a world way too tempting right now, the social media world. If we say the young Muslims, they don't deviate their mind from the Islam to the other aspect, and only when we create the platform, we'll be able to draw them for it and come back. Because if we don't create a platform, the space don't there for them, they'll be able to get them easily. But if we don't create for them platform, how will we able to get them? And the SLMGT, now one kind of very big platform where we don't create for draw the minds and draw the attention of young people, let them come back, to Islam, and let them understand, say, there is a provision and there is a space for them for later able practice the Islam and, exhibit and talent the way they get. And of course, if you want to get contact with we for get with tickets and the event, you can contact we on 078-709-722 078-709-722. This is the number you will contact you for no more about the event and secure your ticket one day. As a lot of people they come for secure their own ticket now, so no delay. And the City Hall gets a capacity where they accommodate. So if you're late, then you go there at risk for you to secure your space for the 31st.
Plenty thank you, Omar Gombila. Now pleasure for talk to you inside the program today. So this na Muslim chat room, where they come to una every week from Sierra Leone, from Sliweb TV. And today, this week, guest will get the managing director of SLMGT. It just don't talk to we how season 6 get for look like. So me now you host for today program, and me na Mohammed Simbi Koma. Plenty thank you. Ready for joining me again next week by God's grace. Thanks very much.
MUSLIM. I'm so proud to be with them. ISLAM. I'm so proud to be with them. MUSLIM. I'm so proud to be with them.